Wanda'S. Happy holiday. Glad to be with you here on this Wednesday. I'm using my Celebrate Happy Birthday mug. I can't turn it over for you right now because it's got a lot of tea in it. Just because it's my birthday month and I love December. Love December. It brings out the inner child in me. Just the creative, fun, wonder-filled joy of the holidays. I know they're a lot of work. I know it's exhausting, but you know what? There's always a way to stop and take a breath in the midst of all the craziness. Everything will wait for you. Just stop. Take a deep breath. Take a sip of your favorite beverage. Feel the warmth as it goes down. Or cool if it's cold iced tea or lemonade. Enjoy the feeling. Just take a few moments. Ignoring the traffic out my window. Take a few moments to deep breathe. It is an exciting season. It is a wonderful, wonder-filled season, but sometimes we just need to take a break. Anyway, today is day number 6. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for everyone who joined last night, I believe it was, during the Tuesday night, Tea and Talk Tuesday nights, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Every Tuesday night, I'm going to take the last Tuesday night of the month off, just so that you know. And we have some wonderful things coming up in January as well, and over the actual Christmas holiday break. On my Etsy shop this month, I am throwing in, whoever buys anything from my Etsy shop, some of my D-stash kits, or a cross-stitch kit, or a stationery kit, cover minder, I'm going to throw in a little extra gift in with the package. So I'm not going to tell you what it is. It all depends on what you buy and what I have left. So, okay, the link for the Etsy shop is down below. Let's get to opening today's goodies, shall we? Again, this is Daphne's Diary, a paper company. Now, is number 6 at the top or not? So, there it is. Number 6 is here. What is in this big one? Ooh, how beautiful. Bring you in. They are paper stars. This is the thickness of the actual cabinet too. There's slits in here. I think you put them together, a top and a bottom. Yes, it looks like the top has a hole there, and the bottom you take out the inner here. You slide them together. Ta-da! And you thread the thread through. I'm going to do that before I push this all the way up to the top, I think. No, I can't do that. I can lay, maybe. I lay it one side and in the hole, and then the other side in the hole. And then slide this guy, all the way down. Ta-da! And then, and then it hangs. How many stars are there all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 stars. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. Oh, I see. Okay. Some of them have the hole in the top this way. Some of them do not. Alright, well, it'll be fun to put them together. Look at all those stars. Very, very nice. I might put them on our, there it is. There's the other one. It's still stuck in there. That's why there are 8 in there. For day number 7, there are 8. 6. Day number 6. I did open 6, did I not? Yes, I did. Day number 6, there are 8 stars. Okay, let's go to Arteza. Day number 6 is up here. Oh, these advent calendars are going to look all boogered up. Well, the inside's boogered up. What is this? This is, oh, mica powder. Okay. Mica powder is useful when you're doing resin. Now, when you put the resin in there, this colors it and it gives it a shine. Just like the outside of this bottle, it'll give it a nice shine. You only put a tiny little bit in with the resin. Nice. Well, I'll have to try that. I didn't have any mica powder before. That is neat. Okay, so far it looks like 2 days per craft. We had in the beginning 2 days of clay, and we had 2 days of cross stitch. Now we've had 2 days of resin mold. So let's see what Diamond Painting Creations has on day number 6. Down at the bottom here, this little white one. Oh my goodness. Ta-da-da. Oh, purple wax. Okay, there are 3 rounds of purple wax, diamond painting wax in here. Right, thank you. Thank you, thank you. And I'm actually going to share it with a friend who is just starting her diamond painting journey. I'm getting a little kit of goodies together for her, a pen, special shaped pen, some extra multi-placer tips, some extra waxes, a couple cover minders. So she will have the benefit of those goodies. Let's see what Add More Zest has in its package today. From the UK. Alright. It is an acrylic, acrylic, but it's one of those sticky mats that you put your tray on so that it doesn't wiggle, doesn't move, it doesn't fall off the table on you, that kind of thing. It sticks to whatever it sticks to the cover of your diamond painting or your table, and the other one sticks to that. And you can also use it to pick up spare diamonds that fall around, but it will pick up everything else too. So I wouldn't recommend it for that, although I have tried it. In a pinch it'll work. But to recover it's sticky, all you have to do is wash it with a little bit of warm water and soap and let it dry, and it'll be sticky all over again. So I would suggest keeping the clear plastic outsides for that purpose. Now, Diamond Painting Deutschland has a big one today. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at the little gonks. They're so cute. I'm keeping these baggies. No. This has been the most incredible kit. The most incredible advent kit I've ever gotten. I highly recommend Diamond Painting Deutschland for next. I'm going to get one for next year, even though the shipping is unbelievable. Look at this. All right, you get a base. You get 2 double-sided tree, just like those stars went together. After you diamond paint them, you slide them together and you slide them in the stand together. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. Oh, those diamonds. They are the specials. Big gold buttons, big white buttons, big red teardrops, lots of shine and bling, several colors of green. You have golds, you have whites, you have silvers. Beautiful. I've done a tree like this from a different company, and I really like it. I'll have to get it from upstairs. So, this is going to be enjoyable. You might see me putting it together next Tuesday night, one of these Tuesday nights, I don't know. Nice. So, today's number 6 Advent Calendar goodies from our 5 companies, our generous companies, are these. Thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Check out all the links in the description box below. Like, subscribe, and let me know when you put up your Christmas tree. Add in the comments. Do you put it up Christmas Eve? Do you put it up the day after Thanksgiving? Do you put it up Christmas Day? And how long do you leave yours up until? Do you take them down the day after Christmas? Do you take it down the weekend after Christmas? How about waiting all the way to Epiphany, which is January 6th? What's your tradition? Let me know below. Bye, divas.